today I'm going to be unboxing Brite Brush and showing you how it works. Brite Brush is a really fun new way to brush your teeth. It includes 7 engaging games, has a smart brushing sensor, vibrating handle, and there's also a parent check to make sure that your kiddos are brushing their teeth properly. Thank you so much to Brite Brush and to WowWee for sending us 2 toothbrushes to try out for my kids. This is a nice and colorful box, and it's really appeasing to kids. Kids will really enjoy looking at it as well, so get them excited about brushing their teeth. So there's 7 different options to choose from. There's a tutorial and practice mode, there's space attack mode, soccer pinball, dance star, punch master, race car rally, and rockstar jam. Each time more games will unlock. Here's the extra tooth. It's nice and colorful. Here are the instructions. And let's get the actual toothbrush out, the star of the show. So this is perfect for my son who's 3 years old. Remember, brush up and down. So they want you to peel this part off to get the party started. Here is the Brite Brush. Really, really nice quality item. Feels good, not too heavy, so it's not gonna be like too hard for kids to use. The bristles are really cool. And I love the fact that it comes with 2 different colored bristles. It's great also because you could start one kid on one color and the other child at the same time on a different color with a different brush, of course, and you won't be mixing up the color. My older son could have the green one, and then my younger son could brush with the purple one.
Brite Brush, the vibrating game brush that makes brushing fun. Brush to race car. Blast lasers.
In order to begin using your Brite Brush, you're going to have to press the Try Me mode button, which is the red button, and it's going to take you through the steps. It's going to ask you to remove the brush from the packaging, press the button on the side of the brush to hear the audio introducing Brite Brush. You or your child are going to start brushing up and down after the introduction. This is going to activate a brief practice session. After you finish that practice session, the brush is going to enter into its normal mode, and then you could cycle through each of the different modes that fits the needs of your child. Let's say if your child wants to try the music mode, you could do that, or any other kind of mode. Let's see how easy it is to switch out. Take this off. You could put a new brush head on, and then just make sure you turn it to lock it. To change the batteries, you're just going to unscrew this part and then put brand new 2 AAA batteries. It already includes Duracell batteries, so you know they're going to last a while. As your child brushes with Brite Brush, it's going to unlock different game modes, and each game has 4 different sections. In order to advance to each mode, you have to earn 10 stars. Your score is based on how well you brush and follow the instructions for changing sides. Each game lasts about a minute. You play 2 games for approximately 2 minutes of brushing. The amount of time recommended by dentists. This is a great way for kids to start brushing their teeth regularly and properly. So I want to thank Brite Brush. Thank you so much. You could check out my Instagram stories for when my kids are actually using this toothbrush. So exciting. You can also find out more information on how to get your own Brite Brush in my description below. Thank you so much to WowWee and to Brite Brush for sending us these cool toothbrushes to try out. Have a happy Halloween, everyone, and stay safe. And don't forget, National Brush Day is November 1st, so this is a great way to celebrate. Now for only $19.99. It's such a great deal, and it's a perfect gift to put in that Halloween treat basket. Thank you so much to Brite Brush and to WowWee for sending us these awesome, cool new toothbrushes to try out. Check out my stories on my Instagram at play.live.repeat, and you could see my kids in action with Brite Brush.